ChatGPT, Midjourney और ऐसे बहुत सारे AI टूल्स आ चुके हैं एंड ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन यूजेस देम इन देयर एवरीडे वर्क। बट क्या आपने कभी सोचा है ये बड़ी कंपनीज जो करोड़ों का खर्चा करके डेटा सेंटर्स में इन्वेस्ट कर रही है, क्या इसे हम लोकली बना सकते हैं? सिंपल भाषा में, क्या हम उनके जैसा या इनफैक्ट बेटर AI टूल अपने ही सिस्टम में बना सकते हैं? काम तो हो जाएगा, लेकिन पहले बात करते हैं आपको ये बनाना ही क्यों चाहिए। सो इमेजिन यू हैव अ टीम ऑफ डिजाइनर्स, कॉपीराइटर्स, एडिटर्स that use Midjourney, ChatGPT and other such AI tools on a daily basis. Now to meet their requirements, even अगर आपकी 10 लोगों की टीम है और पैसे बचाने के लिए से आपने 5 सब्सक्रिप्शन लिए हैं, so you still end up paying close to 30,000 rupees a month. Calculating yearly, it's 4 lakh rupees. And if we calculate it for the long term, let's say 5 years, the calculation jumps up to 20 lakh rupees. अब वही दूसरी तरफ, if you had invested in a local machine to run the same kind of AI models locally and at times even better, you might have saved around 7 to 8 lakhs easily. So now that we know why we need to build one, ये बात करते हैं कि ये कैसे बनना चाहिए. Additional point to note is कि ये मॉडल आपकी सारी queries को address करेगा without giving errors like as of my last knowledge update. You can't use appropriate words, etc. etc. It all starts with a high-end server, and here we are not talking about 4090 but Ampere GPUs, Xeon Ultra CPUs, SAS SSDs and many more, which will be required to run AI models which are as reliable as your service providers. For example, we would recommend a pair of 2 RTX ADAs or A6000s. Both GPUs give you 2 into 48 GB of VRAM, easily capable of handling even a 40 billion parameter LLM. Now the next thing will be choosing the right framework. And we know कितने सारे AI bots market में चल रहे हैं, but because we are just starting out and don't want to get involved in this model is better or that model is better, let's go with Falcon 40B as a start, 40 billion parameter. It performs better than most models and gives you open source code so you can build your own AI model under the Apache 2.0 license. Talking about the inference performance of this Falcon 40B model on 2 RTX 6000 ADA, I'd say the response is as smooth as butter. 1 second? Yeah, really. It takes just 1 second to produce an output, and that's all because of the 2 GPUs with approximately 90 GB of sharing data, VRAM that is. But here's a note. Since the model is new and there's a lot of things it has to learn, it might generate simple responses and sometimes maybe no better than ChatGPT or Gemini or Midjourney. And this is exactly where model fine-tuning is needed. Now the base model Falcon 40B is a good starting point. It is filled with a lot of methods and datasets made to work in tune with open datasets, providing you with best environment to begin with model refinement and stability. So इतनी सारी information एक वीडियो में, तो final verdict क्या है? देखो, the first thing is to start. If you are still confused, you can start testing on AWS and automatically you realize कि output आपको कैसे modification देगा और आपके लिए कौन सा specific framework best रहेगा. But if you're wondering what is the cheapest option available, then definitely subscribe because we'll make a video in future showing you exactly that. And in case you're looking to get it anyway, visit our stores in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai or Gurgaon, where we build systems according to your demand, whether it's building your own LLM or deploying a render farm. And we offer solutions for just about anything in between to anywhere in India. तो आइए अपनी PC requirements के अनुसार PC बनाएं. Thank you for watching. Cheers.